those who want to know what's happening inside, let me share with you. Oh my God. It's going to be Ghulan Jamun wheat flour. The recipe is ready. So let's make this healthy traditional wheat flour gulab jamuns on a very low medium flame. 25 grams butter, 25 grams ghee. Add your 150 grams wheat flour and keep gradually. Add your 2 tablespoons of Semolina Soji powder, half teaspoon soda bicarb, quarter teaspoon. And once you're satisfied, you can now add your milk powder. Around 50 grams. When you're ready and satisfied, add your milk, but make sure you add half the quantity of the milk. At this point, you can shut off the transfer it into a bowl for a hand mix. Heap tablespoon of sugar. My dough is ready, but I have decided to have an additional spoon of ghee. Voila. A teaspoon. Give it a good massage now. Rest now, and then in the meantime we will prepare the sugar syrup. Now let's add the 150 ml of water. I think that's good enough, and then we will shut it off and let it start putting this cardamom, and the saffron just a bit all around. Then turn it around. Do the same thing, and we'll give it one more quick mix before we make the balls. Just take a bowl, take a handful, sorry. This will be my gulab jamun shape, okay? The simple gulab jamun shape, because you need the internal to cook. It's better to keep it as thin as possible. Jamuns are ready. They just look like some flower petals. They don't need to be round, as long as you can achieve your taste. Alright? The oil is hot. Just a good test, and we will start frying. Just put one initially and watch. Voila. Absolutely looking golden brown and ready. And now we will just keep it here. Keep swirling it around, or they may get burnt. So this is the other texture, okay? You can try various textures. That's the last 3, and I've not fried them too much to see how it will taste in this kind of texture. Time for assembly. Once they cool down, we will take these bad boys. They look very delicious to me, and we will place them here in this bowl one by one. Once you have all that set in there, let's pour the sugar syrup. Okay, I am not overfilling. You will always observe sugar always very minimal. So the lovely wheat flour gulab jamun petals are ready. This is a light sugar syrup. We will put a little bit here, not a heavy one. Okay, and we can use this lovely cashew nut and walnut powder. Voila, it's crushed. That's enough. And you can top this up, but you can probably, use the sugar syrup while you serve. Cheers, guys. Enjoy this lovely gulab jamun petals with wheat flour. Gulab jamun petals with wheat flour. It's really delicious. Believe me, try this, guys. Beautiful, lovely, tasty wheat flour petals or gulab jamun. Very tasty and very, very delicious.